Are you having an issue converting subtitle files in .txt file format to .srt format? No worries, ChatGPT got you. So first, prepare your .txt file, then extract all the content of the txt file, open it and extract all its content. Ctrl A, Ctrl C. So after doing that, you minimize the screen, go back to ChatGPT, then tell ChatGPT what to do. Here we want you to convert, so convert .txt to .srt, then give it the file, shift enter again, Ctrl V. Okay, so prompt. Wait for it to finish generating. You must ensure that it's finished, because sometimes it might stop halfway. Ensure that it's finished generating. Continue generating, so you have to click it continue generating to prompt ChatGPT to continue, or else it will not complete the conversion.